Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use two-factor authentication on the Nash wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, you have to open the Nash app, and then you have to go to the settings menu, which is in the bottom right corner. As you can see here, this little person icon with the settings text, and in the settings menu you should go to the profile and security section, which is here in the middle, and here you have to tap on the security tab. And when you tap on it, it's going to open up all the security options that you have. And to activate the two-factor authentication, or 2FA, you just have to tap on this switch and you can turn that on, and this way you can secure your account and your wallet is going to be safer. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.